Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen.
Today I'm making oyster sauce tofu with assorted mushrooms. So let's review the ingredients. I have a package of medium firm tofu, cremini mushrooms, seafood mushroom, oyster mushrooms, brown beech mushrooms. I have ginger, garlic, some red Thai chili peppers, green onion, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper, and seasoning salt mix. And for the assorted mushrooms, you don't necessarily have to use this combination. You could use any other type you like. For the prep, let's start off with the tofu. I like to remove as much excess moisture as possible. So I'm going to pat dry it a bit. We'll flip it over. And I'm going to cut it in half, horizontal. I'm going to cut it into thick baton shape. They look like maybe half an inch thick, maybe a little less. So it's like a big chunky French fry. Okay, next let's slice the garlic and ginger. And I'm going to slice it. And you get like a little sliver of garlic when you're eating the mushroom tofu dish. And I'm using a lot of garlic. You can use less if you like. And we'll also shred the ginger. Good. And for the chili peppers, I'm going to top them off and seed them. If you like it spicier, you can leave the seeds in. Of course, you know, the peppers are optional. This will just give it a little bit of heat in the back. And you can use more or less if you like. Just slice it also. Add it together. Next we can cut the green onion. I'm going to cut it into quarter sections. Okay, moving on, let's slice up the cremini mushrooms. And we'll slice it into like 1/4 inch slices, not too thin. You want it to have a little bite. Mushrooms, you should never wash it in water. Take a damp paper towel, wipe off any dirt that you see. And for all these other mushrooms, when you take it out of the package, just cut the bottom off and separate them into individual pieces. Okay, all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Okay, I have the wok set at a medium-high heat, and you can see it's smoking a little bit. So let's add oil. And we're going to cook the cremini mushrooms first. They require a little extra cooking time. Just spread them out. And let it sear on one side for about a minute.
Okay, give it a quick toss. And we'll cook the other side for a same minute. And you can see that it's browning up nicely. Okay, give this a toss. You can remove it from the pan. Add extra oil to the pan. And then we're going to cook the tofu. We'll let this stir up a little bit. Add some sesame oil. And if the tofu breaks up, it's no big deal. Okay, so now we can remove it from the pan. And I'm going to give the pan a quick wipe. Remove some of the tofu bits. I don't want it burning. So let's add a little more oil. And we'll toss in the ginger, garlic, and the peppers. And the pan is still set at medium-high heat. And just toss it for about 15 seconds. We'll add all the mushrooms. Give it a quick toss. I'm going to add seasoning salt mix, black pepper, sesame oil, soy sauce. A quick toss. And these mushrooms cook up very fast. So let's return the cremini. And the tofu. We'll add the green onion. Hit it with the oyster sauce. And the Shaoxing wine. Give this a quick toss. We just need to toss this for about 30 seconds. And this is done. Turn off the heat. Let's serve this. And here we have a delicious plate of oyster sauce tofu with assorted mushrooms. This is a simple, healthy, vegetarian-style stir-fry dish made with tofu and an assortment of mushrooms in a savory, flavorful oyster sauce. The mushrooms give out a very earthy flavor, and the chili adds a nice bit of heat at the end. Enjoy! Okay, let's see if Xiao likes it. Ooh, yummy. She likes the assortment of mushrooms. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.